Hi everybody, today I just wanted to show you how to change your belt on a Bissell 1700, 2191U, and 3313 and 3313U. Now the U just stands for a different purple color. This is a 2191U, and this 2191U needs a belt. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring your vacuum out. Make sure when you open up your vacuum, make sure you have unplugged your cord. If you have not unplugged your cord, don't do this just yet. So what you need to do is you need to click the pedal and make this come down. Then flip it upside down. Just like this. Now that we have it upside down, you take your screwdriver, which you're going to need a screwdriver for this. You're going to unscrew all 5 screws located here, 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 and here. Once you've done that, we will get in. I'm going to fast forward this part. Alright, now that I've unscrewed all 6 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure you keep these in a nice spot that you'll remember them. Now what you need to do is pull a good spot that you're able to get this out. Pull forwards just like this until you get that. Once you pulled it off, you will have access to your belt and your brush roller. And then you have access to more things down here and up into here that you can get to later if you want to. And so here's the belt. This one uses style 7, style 9, or style 10. So I have that. So let's take it out. So how you take out the roller is you just pull it up just like that and it comes out. Put your roller off to the side. Then your belt, up in here there's a metal rod that you have to push down and then get the belt out from under. Now this could be tricky. Alright, so you push this over to the side, and once you pushed it over to that side, try to get it to pull up.
2 hours later.
Got it. Alright, so now that you got your belt out, you can put that off to the side. Alright, so this really didn't take 2 hours to get this apart, but I eventually got it. So what you're going to do is, hang on, do this. What you're going to do after you got your belt out, you're going to put it to the side, and then you're going to grab your new belt. I got my new belt right here, and then what you do is you try to slide it on in through there. So you want to slide it through that under that metal bar and down through. Once you've done that, you want to take your brush roller that you had and make sure you know which side the brush roller is going to be going into. If you put it like this, the belt won't be able to reach. If you do it like this, it'll work. So get your brush roller on, just like this. Then pull down, and make sure you know where this is. And pull down, just like that, and into there. And then twist this, and push that down there, just like that. And then there's your brush roller back in. Also make sure to test it, and that it turns, just like that. Very easy. Now, let's grab our cover. Once we got our cover, you want to make sure these clips go in the correct place. This clip right here needs to go under there, just like that. Make sure that's in there tight. And then take your screws. Now when you screw in your screws, put it in, and then do the unscrew way to get into that spot, and then screw it back in. It'll make it go a lot easier. If you do that way, it'll make it go a lot easier, and your plastic will last 20 times longer. Maybe not that many times longer, but it'll last a lot longer. And also, when you're screwing these in, don't go and over tight them. Once you over tighten them, the plastic could break on you, and then you'll have to buy a whole new cover. And it's not fun buying a whole new cover. We'll skip through this. Alright, now that you got your cover back on, put it this way. Put it in the upwards position. And bring it up. Just like this. And now you have fixed your Bissell 2191, 1700, or 3313. So now that you've fixed your Bissell, you can go back to cleaning your floors again. You can always come back and watch this video over and over and over until you get it, and then once you get it, you can replace it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Fix It video. Bye for now.